Makeup remover pouring out of a pineapple, foundation squeezed out of a pomegranate, and mascara inside of a star fruit? Is it weird makeup or fake fruit? Watch it in our new video. It's raining again. So boring. Hey, Summer, where are you? It is so dull to stay at home, and there is nothing to do outside when the weather is so bad. Oh, what is it? Funny raspberries have come to us. We look at these bright berries with great interest. Oops! Vicky drops a raspberry accidentally. Oh, there is a real summer vibe hidden in these sweet babies. We've changed in a moment. Is it summer magic? The summer berries are certainly not so simple. There is glitter and magic inside. Take a small paint container and cut off the excess. Attach a glue stick to the cap to make your job easier. Shape a berry by squeezing hot glue on top. Make a cut near the cap with a heated knife. Hot glue little half beads to the hardened base. Paint it white and put on 2 or 3 coats of acrylic paint. Cover the paint with clear nail polish. Cut star-shaped leaves out of a green foam rubber sheet. Make a cut in the center of each leaf. Hot glue a stalk. Pass it through the hole. Cut off the glue stick and hot glue the leaf instead. The fruit magic will spread all around the house thanks to these berries. You just have to make a wish and your entire makeup collection will turn into a fruit garden. Let's try out our magic on regular face powder. It may work. We get a bright orange instead of a boring compact powder. Cut out the middle of a foam plastic ball to fit the size of the powder container. Hot glue the ball halves to the top and the bottom. Paint it white using a sponge and cover it with a layer of orange acrylic paint. Make a hole for the stalk. Snip off the tip of a glue stick. Color it with green acrylic paint to make a stalk and hot glue it to the orange. Use a pencil to make holes on the surface. It will make the orange peel look more realistic. We know that fruit is good for the skin, but this orange doesn't only make your skin look better, it makes your mood better too. And what about EOS? It's impossible for the EOS to be left without a touch of magic. My EOS is of a rich fruit color, and my friend is luckier than me. Her EOS has turned into an orange. Take EOS lip balm out of the container. Mix it with some granulated beeswax. Add a drop of red and yellow food colorings and a bit of orange essential oil. Put it into a microwave. When all the ingredients have melted together, pour the mixture into the cap with the middle grid on. When it cools, put it into a fridge for 15 minutes. Assemble the container. Shape orange segments using an awl. Prepare white lip balm to make the orange pattern. Mix the beeswax with your favorite oil. We've got wheat germ oil. Put in white food coloring. Melt the mixture and pour it into the orange EOS. Peel off the excess. Scratch the pulp pattern using the awl to make the orange look realistic. This lip balm is so sweet and it has a citrus smell. The awesome mixture of an EOS and an orange. I'll call it EOSange. It doesn't only moisturize my lips, it also puts a smile on my face. I want to do a real fruit makeup with this lovely orange EOS. Let's turn our lips into an orange. Shade your entire lips with a white makeup pencil. In case you want to be a mime, leave it the way it is. But we're moving on. Take bright eyeshadow. Define the lip outline with an orange color. Paint the orange pulp pattern with a thick brush. Use clear lip gloss to get a glossy finish. Apply it carefully by tapping so that you don't smudge the makeup. My orange lip makeup will attract everyone's attention. My smile will be the brightest of all. This mascara looks completely boring compared to the unusual face powder. The fruit magic